understanding SaaS architecture? Don't worry, I'm here to explain. It's around us only, by the way, and we just need to understand the process in such a way that relates to our day-to-day life, which is making our work easier. So let's dig into the specific topic and go one by one. I'm Kishan Bhatt from Ultimate Business Systems Private Limited, and I'm going to explain the whole SaaS architecture in brief. There are more videos to come, but let's get started with a simple understanding of SaaS architecture first. So what is SaaS business? SaaS represents to a software as a service that we already know. But what are the things, what are the main criteria that makes it an actual SaaS software that makes a difference? Let me tell you a key point that SaaS used to have that makes it an actual software as a service product. First, it's a way of creating product which is having several features just like a desktop application. Second, it's easy to access through a simple URL only. Third, there is no need to save data somewhere. The SaaS business will do everything by their own. Fourth, no upfront softwares and hardware tools are required for SaaS business. Fifth, upgrades are automatic and continual. You might be having some questions like how does SaaS product work and will SaaS providers keep my data safe or not? What happens to my data if a SaaS company goes out of business? Can I customize your SaaS software? Don't worry, I'm going to give you all answers and clear all your doubts about SaaS platform and give you a simple understanding step by step. So let's go through it one by one. So let's get some understanding about how does SaaS product work. Let me first thankful to the large data centers that are able to handle a large data needs of modern corporates, either it's big or small. The actual service provider is responsible for server administration, load balancing, security backups and updates. The end user pays monthly fee for the service and be able to access their account through a simple web browser as long as they have internet connectivity. So this is the process how the SaaS products used to work from the large data centers to maintain all the activities on the background. Will SaaS providers keep my data safe? Well, cybersecurity is the topmost concern for all SaaS providers, and more than ever, the data is essential to the company, and having that information compromised or leaked could be a diverse setting. So, the SaaS providers devote more time, money, and experience to the data security than most in-house technology teams. However, you can still bear some responsibility by your own by creating a secure password, making sure to connect via secure networks or VPN or something. So there are the ways to keep your data safe of the SaaS business. So what happens to my data if the SaaS company goes out of business? You might be having a question, right? It's a pretty much understandable to be concerned about losing your data if the company's hosting platform where your all data is stored will go out of business. So you should examine the terms and conditions of any SaaS company you do a business with to see that it specifically lays out what happens to the data in such situations. The terms and conditions should state that you own and can export your data if that happens. And a SaaS company should provide a data export tools as well to make it easy to quickly migrate it to the another platforms. So these are the tricks that you can use to restore your data and to make it available for you very easily. So can I customize a SaaS software? The customization has very widely depending upon the platforms. The SaaS applications are much more customizable than the physical standalone downloadable programs for the past. If you consider customization is important, you should investigate whether the customization options are exist because not all platforms offer that ability. So you should take care about that. Many software platforms have a marketplace of widgets developed by a community that you can download. Sometimes for free, while others will let you to create your own version of the software based on your needs. So sometimes it requires your own dedicated team of developers, so it may not be best if you are a small team. Most of the services offers a free trial demo so you can test the software out to see if the customization is necessary to begin with or not. So take that advantage for that platform when you are shopping for the SaaS software. Try out multiple SaaS platforms first before you come to the decision, since it's tough to change after you have migrated to the one platform. Then you can work up to a software implementation plan to ensure a smooth transition. So this is Kishan Bhatt signing off. You can like, share, subscribe our channel for more updates, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for recent updates about our videos.